Hello, friends. Welcome to Speak Well Institute Listening Practice. This is episode 5, and today's topic is a visit to the park. Introduction. Going to the park is a very common but very enjoyable experience. A park is a place where people of all ages come together. Children play, old people relax, young people exercise, and families spend time together. Visiting a park is good for our health, our mind, and our happiness. Today, I will tell you about my visit to the park and why parks are important for everyone. My visit to the park. Last Sunday, I visited the park near my house. The weather was perfect. The sun was shining, the sky was blue, and the air was fresh. A light breeze was blowing, and I could feel it on my face. It was very peaceful. As I entered the park, the first thing I noticed was the sound of birds. Sparrows, pigeons, and crows were sitting on trees and singing. Their sound made the park feel alive. I also saw butterflies flying around flowers. It was like nature was welcoming me. The park was full of green trees. There were big trees that gave shade, and small plants with colorful flowers. Roses, sunflowers, and lilies were blooming. The smell of flowers was fresh and sweet. The green grass looked clean and soft. Some children were running and playing on the grass. Their laughter made everyone happy. Playground area. On one side of the park, there was a playground. Many children were playing there. Some were sliding down the slide, some were swinging on swings, and some were going up and down on the seesaw. Their parents were standing nearby, watching and smiling. A few mothers were sitting on benches and talking while their children played. The whole area was full of joy and energy, exercise and health. Another part of the park was for exercise. Many people were jogging on the jogging track. Some young people were running fast and some old people were walking slowly. I also saw a group of people doing yoga on mats. They were sitting in the fresh air and practicing meditation. Some boys were doing push-ups and stretching exercises. Parks are the best place for physical fitness because fresh air makes exercise more effective. Pond area. In the middle of the park, there was a small pond. Ducks were swimming in the pond. Some children were feeding them small pieces of bread. The water was shining under the sunlight. Near the pond, some people were taking photos with their families. Many people were just sitting quietly and looking at the water. Felt very peaceful. My experience. I walked slowly around the park. I enjoyed the sound of leaves, the songs of birds, and the laughter of children. After some time, I sat on a bench under a big tree. I opened a book and read a few pages. Reading in the park was very relaxing. The fresh air helped me focus better. I felt calm, fresh, and happy. After about 1 hour, I returned home. My body felt light, my mind felt fresh, and my mood was very positive. The visit to the park gave me peace and energy for the whole day. Importance of visiting parks. Parks are not only for fun, they are also very important for our life. Parks give us fresh air. Parks help us to stay healthy and fit. Parks are a good place for children to play safely. Parks are a good place for families to spend time together. Parks help us to connect with nature. In today's world, people spend a lot of time on mobile phones, computers, and TV. Many children play only video games and do not go outside. This is not healthy. Visiting a park helps us take a break from technology and enjoy the real world. It makes our body active and our mind fresh. Conclusion. So friends, I want to say that everyone should visit a park regularly. Even if it is just for 30 minutes, a walk in the park can change your mood. It makes you fresh, active, and happy. A park is a gift of nature, and we should enjoy it as much as possible. Thank you for listening to episode 5 of the Speak Well Institute Listening Practice. If you liked this episode and learned something new, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Speak Well Institute for more daily English listening practice. See you in the next episode.